Hi, praisers and savers. Hope you're having a good Saturday here in South Carolina, because for us it's a little on the warm side, even though it's February, but
70 degrees.
It's 70 degrees outside. That's why I'm wearing a short sleeve shirt. But we went inside Walmart. You might see it behind us. There's Walmart. We went inside Walmart and we did the Weekend Warrior bonus for $1. And, well, that's what we did, and we were able to accomplish it. But
Barely.
yeah, we had so many deals that we're so happy that they were on there, and then they were either sold out or they were not on Ibotta
Anymore.
at all. They were gone. So yeah, that's what we did. But we were able to improvise a little bit, and we were finally able to get 7 items, but with one little extra surprise that
You'll see in the video.
you'll see in the video.
So we have a giveaway winner.
Yes, the last giveaway winner, what was it, 2,000?
Yeah, it was 2,150 subscribers.
2,150 subscribers. The giveaway winner is nobody. Just kidding.
No.
The giveaway winner is this person, Donna Rainey. Congrats.
So she needs to email us.
Yes, Donna Rainey, if you are watching this video, please email us in order for us to get your $10 Walmart gift card.
Awesome.
So I don't really know how we did the deal or get the bonus, but we did. So surprisingly, we did.
So in this video you're about to watch, we actually didn't use any coupons at all. So
Yeah.
this is a total Ibotta shopping.
This is a total Ibotta video. This is not any paper whatever coupons. It's just an Ibotta video. But we had so many good deals that we could have done, but Ibotta did not have them anymore.
Ibotta and Walmart.
And Walmart, the app, yeah. So
Ready?
we had to improvise. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and sorry for the 2-minute intro. Bye, guys. Hey, praisers and savers, welcome back to another video today. We're back in Walmart, yeah.
We've been in here for a while.
We've been in here for at least 30 minutes, and there has not been a single deal.
Because
Everything is sold out.
everything's sold
If
out.
you look at everything.
You gonna show them?
Yeah.
Show
Sorry, I covered up the camera a little bit. Look at all these empty shelves right here. Oh, right here.
Well, it's worse in the snack
yeah, it's
aisle.
worse than like the snacks and yogurt. There's like nothing.
No yogurt.
There's no yogurt from what we want.
So-
and we've had at least like 6 things, and there's nothing.
So we have a giveaway winner, and we're going to tell you in just a couple minutes, okay? All right.
We have a giveaway winner, and we'll tell you
In the middle of the video.
in the middle of the video. All right.
First
Let's
deal.
see if we can find more deals.
All right. So first deal I have is on these Crunch Fun Size. These are $3.48. There is 2 Ibotta rebates attaching to this. One is going to be for the Crunch Bars, and one is going to be for the Rosina meatballs. And you can do this deal 3 times for the Crunch Bars and 2 times for the meatballs. So don't know why it's attaching, but when you take the Crunch Bar and the Rosina meatballs deals, it makes it just $1.48. So pretty great deal on the Crunch Bar. So this is a really great deal on the breakfast essentials. We actually use this all the time. It's not like, amazing, but it is something that we use. So if you want to get this one, the breakfast essentials, there's an Ibotta rebate. These are $4.56. There's an Ibotta rebate for $1.50 on those, and you may be able to find a coupon online. I don't have any. That's going to make these just $3.06 for those. If you don't like those are the powders. You can get the ones that are already ready to go, and there's a $2 Ibotta rebate on that. So these are $6.50. Using that $2 Ibotta rebate, it'll make it just $4. All right, got a deal on this Cinnamon Toast Crunch oatmeal. Any of the General Mills oatmeals, I got Lucky Charms, Tricks, and Cocoa Puffs. These are $2.72. There's a half off on Ibotta, but it's going to be $1.50 on Ibotta off of this item, making it $1.22. So I guess because this is different or a new item that they have a high valued Ibotta rebate on these. So yep, $2.72, taking $1.50 off rebate, making it $1.22 each. All right, so Luke just found this Better Remedies, a medicine on a mission on the end cap display. It says you buy one, we give one, so that's pretty cool. 1 in 4 Americans don't have access to medication they need. That's really cool. All right, so they got it kind of labeled. So this is going to be all your allergy in the green, all this in like the peach color, coral color is going to be like your cold and flu. The blue stuff is gas and acid, and the yellow stuff is pain relief. What we're going to do is we're going to pick up one of these cold and flu, the daytime relief. These are $8.07 because that's something I know I'll need. They have the cold and flu, that's nighttime, and they have chest, whatever. Different prices on all these different things, but I know I need this cold and flu daytime. So $8.07, there's a high valued $6 Ibotta rebate coming off on these, making these just $2.07. So I'm picking these up for $2.07 each. All right, so I finally found the AZO. I've been looking all over. This is actually where the vitamins are in my store. So if you can't find it, please look in the vitamins. Stop looking in circles like I did. So this AZO, the cranberry urinary health track, this is the cheapest one at $6.77. We have a high value $5 Ibotta rebate coming back on that, making it just $1.77. So pretty great deal on these. Right, getting a half off deal on this Pace avocado salsa. Trying this out. These are $2.98. We have a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta, bringing this down to just $1.48. So I'm gonna try this out, see how I like it. So that's monkey bread up there, and these are $3.28 at our store. And so we're gonna be using a $1.50 Ibotta rebate on these, making it just $1.78. But we're not excited about this monkey bread, are we, Luke? What are we excited about? Just found the lobster cheddar biscuits. We're getting those.
They're selling them.
Selling them. No coupon on this? How can we buy this without a coupon? $4.98. I don't care. I'm still buying them.
It's just $4.